It's morning of 4/27/21. I'm playing an audio that was sent to me by Chrissy Howe. I was just loading it in just to see the quality of it, and I was going to sit down with it later on. But right where I put it, and the speed that I'm at, and the frequency that I've turned it to, I'm hearing the word listen. Now, if I slide this over, it sounds like some sort of clock, and it should not exist, on what I've done with this frequency and the speed. Here's the listen word. Does not register here, but my lights pick it up. Here and here. It reminds me of a clock. Chrissy spoke out and said, give me a sign of something only I would know, and I found this after that. There could be some more, but this I definitely found.